Alright guys, we're going to give you an update. I've been cleaning this garage like crazy all day. So I've been wiping down the doors and the shelves and doing all that jazz. And it's pretty clean, even the floors. In here too, this is our storage area. And we have moved all of the tools and the materials in here that we're going to be using. All the tools are over here, and we're going to take you inside. So Michelle Bendig came all day, worked very hard, and between her and Joe painting some of the kids, they got some stuff done. So we moved out all the tools out from here. So they didn't do anything here yet, but they will. This is the room that you guys never get to see. I finally realized I can use the flash on my phone to show you guys. But this is going to be Lily and Sophia's room. And they have not painted in here yet. But yeah, my kids are back there manning a fire. That was a crazy situation. I had a big old fire going a while ago. There's Nicholas. Alright, so they got some paint done in here. Nice, huh? We're gonna switch out the ceiling fans. But I think that's just a primer coat. That's not really what they're gonna be keeping it as. And then here, I'm gonna walk through here. Joe's finishing up this wall. Say hi, Joe.
Hi, Joe.
He's such a jerk. Alright, this is Layla's room. And they put the primer coat on. Huh? And then they did a primer coat here in the bathroom. Still in the work in progress. Okay. We got this room, which is going to be Tasha's room. Why are you hiding? You weirdo. Okay. Alright. There's Layla. And Joe's bending over. Alright. Go through here. Our dining room. And kitchen. Still work in progress. I know. Come through here. They painted the hallway with the primer coat. And not much of a change in the bathroom. Our plumber still has to come finish doing his magic. We're actually going to take up that tub and tile it in here instead. So that tub is going to go upstairs into the apartment. They did the primer coat here in the master bedroom. It looks really good. Joe put trim up over my windows that I like so much. You know, the ones that angle? I'm kind of upset about that. Okay. It looks like he pulled up all the tack strips in here, which is weird because I thought he wanted carpet in here, but whatever. There's no change to the office, so they will be painting this white right over the panel. I don't care at this point. We'll worry about that later. So there is the grand tour. Nothing upstairs has changed, so I won't need to show you any of that. There's Nicholas. Say hi, Nicholas. So that's our feeding station for the monsters. We have all the necessities. We have mayonnaise and chips and cheese and cookies, sandwiches. That's it. There's one of the monsters. Okay, guys. Bye.